Hello friends, I saw one problem on probability being asked in one of the groups on Facebook, so I just thought of uh, trying to work on it. So let's go to the problem. The problem states that a fair coin is tossed 5 times. Okay, so let's say it's tossed 5 times. What is the probability of getting at least 3 heads on consecutive tosses? Getting at least 3 heads. So these are the important words to note here. At least 3. So it can be 3 heads or 4 heads or maximum of 5 heads. So these are all the possible cases, right? So and on any toss, either head will come or tail will come. Head or tail, head or tails. Only 2 possibilities. Okay, so how many total number of cases can be there? Let's just check. Total number of possibilities are there. So first place, so basically we have to either fill this place with head or tail. Similarly, the second place to be filled with head or tail, and third with head or tail, like that, right? So in how many ways the first place can be filled? 2 ways. Second place can be filled in 2 ways, right? Third place can be filled in 2 ways, like this. What can be those 2 ways? Head, 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 tail, 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 head, right? So what will be the total number of ways? We will have to multiply them to get the total number of possibilities, whatever they may be, right? They are 32. So let's check the options right now. Okay, so all the options have denominator either 32 or less than 32, so we can't say anything as of now. So now let's move to the to whatever is given in the question. At least 3 heads on consecutive tosses. So either this case, right, or this case, or this case, right? These two can be anything. These two places can be anything. These two can be anything. These two can be anything. So how many such possibilities can be there, right? So let's just okay, let's just make sure that these have only 3 heads. So these two can be filled only with tails, tail, tail. Or rather, if we go do it in a different way, that this can be either head or tail, that will take care of the other possibilities as well. But okay, we can actually, in some cases we can have the same thing covered in both of them, right? Like a head here and a head here. So the same situation may be counted twice. So let's keep it simple and let's just have tail over here, tail over here, tail over here, or here it can be tail or head. So 2 such ways are there. And because this doesn't affect, because the previous one is tail, if it's head here, it doesn't affect the total number of consecutive tosses. It will not change that. The total number of consecutive tosses will remain 3 only. So 2 such possibilities are there. Here 1 possibility. So here again we can have tail or head. It doesn't change the 3 consecutive heads thing. So this has to be tail. So these are 2 such possibilities are there. So we have 5 such possibilities where exactly 3 consecutive heads are there, right? So 3 such possibilities. Now if we have to just consider the 4 consecutive heads, one scenario is this. Here we'll have tail, and then what will be the another scenario? 4 consecutive heads here and tail here, and we are only left with one scenario where 5 heads are there. So 2 such scenarios are there where we can have 4 consecutive heads, and only one scenario left where we have 5 consecutive heads. Right, so how many total scenarios? 8. 5 plus 2 plus 1, 8. 8 by 32, which means 1 by 4. We are done. Yeah, that's all. That's all the possibilities. I think we haven't left out anything. At least 3 heads on consecutive tosses. Yeah, that's all. 1 by 4 is the answer. Thank you for watching. So that's how you have to think. While we got little bit we thought a little bit in different direction over here, but that's how you have to figure out the direction in which you have to go while solving probability questions, right? Thank you for watching.